So this is it. Yeah, so I'm going to be trying this now. Oh wow.
Good morning.
Hi besties, welcome to another video. I think this should be a what I eat in a day vlog. I'm so tired. I just finished my workout right now. I did a 1 hour challenge. Okay, right now I'm in a space of doing 1 hour challenges. I am collaborating with a subscriber. I have a playlist where we share the same workout, doing the same workout, but it's not 1 hour. Me, I'm extending my own. Also doing another workout with Clothing app. Okay, there's a workout there that I saw. I decided to try it out. It's Clothing app. So in total, I'm doing like 1 hour and workout. Oh, I'm tired. Anyway, I'm tired, but I am energized. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day today. Right now I'm going to be having oatmeal, overnight oatmeal. This one is quite different because I added oats and there was no yogurt, so I used 1 teaspoon of milk. I added what do you call that thing again? Peanut butter inside. So I saw this I'll show you guys. This, I think it's coconut flakes, something like that. Roasted coconut flakes with what was inside again? Cinnamon. Yes, I saw it. I picked it up. So I want to be trying the combination together. So I'll show you guys what the breakfast looks like. And for lunch, I'll be telling you guys what I'm eating for lunch as well. Yesterday, I did an amazing salad. Okay, with sweet potato. Oh my goodness, that salad was so good. It was sweet potato, some mixed vegetable, carrot, peas, and corn with 2 eggs and coconut oil, salt, and black pepper. That was it. And oh, it tasted so good. That was the only meal I had yesterday. I had that yesterday. In the morning, I took my tea first, then I took coffee, milk, and Milo. Why I mix those 3 together is to give me energy, because yesterday I carried weight yesterday, so I did like weightlifting yesterday, so I needed something that would give me energy so that I don't fall and collapse. So that's why I did that combination, and it has been working. I did it again today, and throughout the whole 1 hour of the exercise, I did not feel tired. I felt so energized. So I think that would be like my pre-workout drink. Anyway, I'll say do what works for you. So if you have protein, pre-workout protein shake, drink it before you do your workout. But for me, I said I don't have, so I'll be using this one as my like coffee, little milk, and Milo as my pre-workout energized drink to give me energy to carry my work, to do my workout. But anyway, that's the update, guys. So welcome to a new vlog. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And yeah, let me go and shower and show you guys the breakfast. So loves, hold on, let me bring lights. Let me get this my hobbies light to give us more more in-depth. So content creator, I have a content creator. This is now 11%. You never charge way. Nepa is not doing us nice. Anyway, so this is the oatmeal. Okay, I put it inside this thing, and there is this thing inside as well. Chai seed. Yes, I forgot to tell you guys there's chai seed inside. So let me mix well before I pour it. Oh Ogechi, Ogechi, Kama. So good. It's very creamy. The measurement of the chai seed I use is 1 tablespoon. So this is the stuff I was talking about. These coconut chips with cinnamon. This is what I saw. I saw it in they said there's no artificial coloring and flavor inside. Gluten-free, plant-based. Let me guess. Okay, it's to expire in this thing, December. Let me get scissors. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see me. Wow, life of a content creator. This is what it looks like, Sha. Let me get you all close. Better. I want to finish it because I'm going to redo this combination again tomorrow. So this is the food. So guys, this is the meal. Chewing gum. I chew chewing gum while doing my exercise. So this is it. Yeah, so I'm going to be trying this now. Oh wow. It's so flavorful. Is it flavoring? Flavorful. Anyway, it's so good. It's really, really amazing. Like, I love the fact that the coconut is still crunchy. With the cinnamon inside. And then the peanut butter. So good. This is very, very healthy. What to do of the day, black and red. This is the vibe I'm going for today. Black and red. Okay. Anyway, let me enjoy my breakfast. It's already what's time? It's almost 12. So it's almost 12. So the lunch I might be having around 4. Then dinner I might have tea and sleep. That's it. I'm just going to be feeling. Chai is always feeling. But anyway, I'm going to enjoy this bench on moving. I wait for my dad to come back from school. So if you watched it this time, thank you so much for watching. Please thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys when I'm making lunch. Yeah, I say you're bathing later.